Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys, we're going to pack another order. You guys seem to like the last video that I posted, and I'm going to go ahead and do more. We had a sale yesterday and today, but by the time you guys see this video, you will see that the video we will no longer be having the sale. But I wanted to come in here and kind of, you know, pack the orders with you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get them done. Probably not all of them because I have somewhere to be, but I'm gonna try to get some of them done at least. So yes, you guys, let's go ahead and do that. I look so pretty right now. I'm feeling myself right now. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for the love of my last video. If you haven't seen my last video yet, go ahead and watch it. I show you guys how I make my labels for my lip glosses, and if you wanted to know how to do that, go ahead and watch my last video. And if you like my videos, please go ahead and thumbs it up and subscribe, and comment below what videos you would like to see from me next. And yes, you guys, so let's pack these orders. My sale was a huge success and I'm so happy. I made a goal and I hit that goal, so I'm so grateful to everyone that shopped the sale, and I'm just so grateful to everyone that has just gone on my website and shopped so far. I really appreciate you. But yeah, you guys know I like to get my orders out once I get them, so let's just go ahead and knock out some of them before I head out, and I'm gonna finish the rest probably tomorrow or something. But yeah, you guys, as usual, there'll be music playing in the background, and you just watch me do what I'm doing. And again, if you have any video ideas or suggestions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to do that. Okay, all right, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this packing video. I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes. So when you got
guys, as I'm packing these orders, I'm getting more orders. This is crazy. Like, I'm so excited, but I will not be able to get through orders today. It's like the numbers are not going down, they're going up, and that's a good thing. But yeah, we're gonna have to finish the video tomorrow. I'm probably gonna come back and film it tomorrow, but let's just keep going and see how much we have, because I have to head out. I'm going to Austin, so I have to head out in less than an hour. But anyway, let's just see how much more orders we can get through before I have to head out.
skin, you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the. I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, 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 move like the. Radiate, radiate, radiate. Gravitate, gravitate, gravitate. Innovate, innovate, innovate. Move like the Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you to break free. Lovers are strangers, maybe it's later. I don't know why, I'm trying to try. Tell myself what I should know. So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, How about I get another drink, baby, Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes. So when you got
we are done with packing the orders, y'all. This took me forever. I'm exhausted. I'm starving, but I was able to get through all the orders, as you guys can see. I think I have about 3 or 4 orders left, but I'll take care of that tomorrow. The only reason why I didn't do it today is because I ran out of something. So I'll take care of them tomorrow, but I'm so tired, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to go ahead and find something to eat right now. But yeah, you guys, this is all the orders that I took care of. I'm so proud of myself because this was like literally in one sitting. Well, actually, I came back. The first time I had to go to Austin, then I came back and I finished it. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you like videos like this, let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to do more packing orders video. But yes, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys very, very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.